Alright, we are on the top floor of the DoubleTree SeaWorld Hotel in Orlando in the Tower Building. Here's me. Hello. My Iron Gwazi shirt on. And of course, we're gonna ride the elevators, which I never realized what they had here. I always skip by this place because for some reason I thought they had something generic, but we got some original Dover Traditional elevators here. Let's take it for a ride. Bun's burned out. I'm starting on the top floor because these are pretty busy. Looks like we got another elevator over there. As well, and the service elevator's obviously behind it. Anyways, here it is. Going down. There's your interlock. Obviously the lantern's been replaced. Hello? But aside from that, it's original. Let's go to 1. These are nice. Hello. One goes out. You heading up? Okay. 17. Here we go. Here we are on 17. I'm not sure what date the tower was added, but the hotel itself opened in 1980. This is probably later 80s or early 90s. Is that your indicator? Certificate? There are your fixtures. Newer Dover Traditional. Watch 1 go out. Here we are. Heading up?
No, sir, thank you.
We'll take it for one more spin, and then after that I'm gonna get off. Here we are on 17. I'm gonna send this one down, and I'll get the other car. I hear this one. Should be coming. Here it is. This one's a bit different than the others. This one's bumpier. The other one was smooth, but this one's a bit bumpy. One goes out. If no one's here, I'll show the call button down here. Alright, I'm gonna end on the top. Here we are. Gonna get off here. And well, there it goes. That'll be it.